Yes, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my class. Here I am going to discuss the topic microorganisms. Here I am going to discuss. Okay, let us start the class. Yes, let us discuss few MCQ question based on the topic microorganisms. Then, yes, once again, hello everyone. Welcome to my class. Let us consider the first question here. How does the antibiotic penicillin work against the bacteria? How does the antibiotic penicillin it will work against the bacteria? Those who are there in the live, tell me hi. Yes, Atharva, is my voice is clear? Tell me, is my voice is clear? Okay. How does antibiotic penicillin work against the bacteria? The first option is it will stop the growth of bacteria, and second, act on the nucleus of bacteria. Third one, block the bacterial process that build the cell wall. Fourth option, more than one of the above. How does the antibiotic penicillin, how it will work against the bacteria? Correct answer for this question is it will block the bacterial process that it will build the cell wall. It will, the penicillin, that is an antibiotic, it will block the bacterial processes. Okay, it will build the cell wall. Okay, let us discuss in detail what is meant by microorganisms, then bacteria, everything in detail. Microorganisms are classified into four major groups. They are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and also some algae. I know everyone you know the theory. I will go fast. We will discuss more focus on MCQ question. Then bacteria, the prokaryotic group of unicellular creature. Bacteria, it is a unicellular creature which include bacteria lack a few organelle and a real nucleus. These are the few information about the bacteria. Then coming to the question, see, penicillin already I told that is an antibiotic. What is mean by an antibiotic? Antibiotic medicine kill and also it will stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms. Some disease they will enter, some bacteria it will enter our body, it will cause a disease. Then to avoid the to kill and to avoid the growth of that bacteria, normally we will take an antibiotic. Okay, that's why antibiotic medicines it will kill or it will stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms. Then about, let us talk about penicillin. The bacterial cell wall building mechanisms are inhibited by the antibiotic penicillin. Because of this medicine, the bacteria cannot build a protective cell wall. What it will do, when your body, if it is full of bacteria, then that bacteria it will build a protective cell wall. Then our human body, it is very difficult to kill that protective layer. Okay, that's why we will use an antibiotics. Yes nature, very good afternoon. Then and quickly it will perishes means it will get destroyed. It is used to treat infections and disorder brought on by a bacteria. This penicillin, this will act as an antibiotic. This we will use, normally it will kill the bacteria growth and it will stop the bacterial growth. Yes, this topic is very easy topic. Let us focus on more MCQ questions. Next, why is treating viral infection more difficult than treating bacterial infection? Here they are asking the question, treating viral infection is way more difficult compared to treating bacterial infection. What is the reason? First option, because viruses are much smaller in size. Second option, because bacterial are harder to transmit. Third option, because virus have fewer targets for drugs. Fourth option, more than one of the above. What is the correct answer for this question? Why viral infection are more difficult to cure compared to the bacterial infection? The correct answer it will be because virus have fewer targets for drugs. See, the infection caused by a virus, it will be difficult. Let us study in detail why it will be difficult. See, what is meant by an infection? An infection occurs when a microorganisms it will enters a person body and it will cause an harm. Okay. Then this microorganism use that person body to sustain itself, reproduce and colonize. Here once the microorganisms once it will enter your body, then it will growth, and also the number of microorganisms rapidly it will increases, and it will destroy the human health whatever it is there. Then these infection microscopic organisms are known as pathogens. They can multiply quickly. Yes, they can multiply very quickly. You can observe those who are having viral or bacterial infection. After 2-3 days, if they not treated properly, they will become too ill. They are not able to even get up also. They will lose their energy, even so many side effect, fever, vomiting, everything, dehydration, everything it will happen. That is because of the microorganism. It may be virus, viral infection, it may be bacterial infection. For example of pathogens, bacteria, virus, fungus, these three normally, why the human body it will get infected, bacteria, virus, fungus, it may be it will get multiplied in our body. Bacterial, virus, fungus also you can observe. Fungal infection also it will happen in your body, maybe on the skin, and also the human body it will occur. Next, what is the treatment for bacterial and viral infection? Bacteria are single-celled organisms. Bacteria are unicellular, already I explained. It is nothing but a single-celled organism. Most bacterial infection can be effectively treated with antibiotics. Normally, bacterial infections, normally we will use antibiotics to come out of the bacterial infections. They either kill bacteria or stop them from multiplying. It will kill the bacteria completely. It will stop once you completed all the antibiotic dose. Yeah, some doctors also they will tell, if you started taking antibiotics 1 or 2 days, your body it will feel better. But doctor normally they will tell, don't stop any antibiotic tablet course. If they are given for 5 days, 10 days complete course you have to take. What will happen in our body when we started taking antibiotic, immediately that bacteria it will start killing. To complete our body is free of bacteria, you have to take the full course. Normally the doctors they will suggest that one only. They either kill bacteria or it will stop. This help the body immune system to fight the bacteria. When you take the complete course, it will improve your immune system also. Then how to treat a viral infection? Unlike bacteria, virus do not have a cellular structure. They don't have any cellular structure. They are just genetic material coated by proteins. Yes, virus, what is the how we can define a virus? Virus is nothing but a genetic material that it will be coated by a protein. They enter the host body, invade the cell to be multiplied by overtaking their DNA replication machinery. What will happen? That is a genetic material coated by protein, that is a virus, otherwise viral infection. Then once it enter the body, then it will start that genetic material only, they will start multiplying rapidly. Okay, then then so to kill them we have to kill our cell walls. As you can identify even viral infection treating is very difficult, they ask the same question, whatever the question we are discussing, that one only. Why viral infection we can't cure more easily compared to bacterial infection? Because viral infection normally it will affect your genetic like DNA replica everything, even it will kill your cell walls also. Okay, the most viral infection treatment can be only help with symptoms. Antibiotics do not work on virus. Normally for bacterial infections we will use antibiotics. For viral infection we will not use any antibiotics. Instead antiviral medicines are used. For to cure viral infection normally we will use antiviral medicines, but they are available for few viral infections. Even you can still in nowadays also so many different types of viral infections are there, we don't have a proper medicine for that one. Okay, because some virus we have to give antiviral medicines, but still scientists they are discovering for some types of virus they not discovered any antiviral medicines. Okay, that's why now you understood why this question they are asked here. Why is treating viral infection it will be more difficult than treating bacterial infection? The correct answer, because virus have fewer targets for drugs. Okay, let us move to the next question. Related to question I will explain the theory part. Okay, next, microorganisms act upon the dead plant to produce. First option mushrooms, second one roughage, third option humus, fourth option more than one of the above. Microorganisms act upon the dead plants. On dead plants and animals, whatever the it will grow, that one we will consider as a humus. Correct? The correct answer is humus. Normally it will grow on the dead plant and also animal body. Yes, let us discuss in detail this. I will already few of the points I explained, I will go fast. Microorganisms are too small or not visible with our naked eye, we can't see. Microorganisms normally found in air, water, then in the bodies of plants and also animals. Yes, the correct answer is humus. Yes, Atharva, nature, good. Next, they are maybe unicellular, they may be multicellular microorganisms. Some microorganisms are useful for commercial production of medicines and also alcohol. Not all the microorganisms it will be like harmful to our body. Some microorganisms it will help, and also it will that we will use in the production of medicines and also alcohol. Microorganisms are classified into four major groups. First one is bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae. Bacteria, already I explained, unicellular microorganisms found in air, water, soil. Fungi are compolitan and occur in this one also air, water, soil and also animal, plants. Protozoa are heterotrophs, lives as predators and parasites. Algae are largely aquatic, both freshwater and marine organisms. Yes, this already you know, these are the very basic. Then, yes, humus, coming to the humus, the microorganisms act upon the dead plant and to produce a thick brown black color substance on dead body, plant, animals. The thick black and brown color material it will grow, that one only we will call it as a humus. Many microorganisms include algae, amoeba, decomposes various dead plants, animals, produce a wide range of products including humus. Then decomposers such as bacteria, fungi or microorganisms that transfer dead plants, animals to humus. Okay. Then humus is an essential component of soil because it contains many beneficial minerals and nutrients. Even humus is helpful for a soil, because why it will helpful for a component of a soil, because it contains many beneficial minerals and also nutrients. Yes, next, let us move to the next question. Which of the following statement depict the organisms is in ascending order of their size? Arrange these organisms in the ascending order of size. First option is virus, bacteria, algae, fungi. Second option bacteria, virus, fungi, algae. Third option algae, fungi, bacteria, virus. Fourth one more than one of the above. Tell me correct answer for this question. The correct answer is they are asking from ascending order. Ascending order, virus, bacteria, algae and also fungi. Let us discuss what is the size of virus, bacteria. Then you will come to know you can answer that question easily. Yes, nature. Option 1 is correct. Good. Virus are the smallest organisms, consist of genetic material DNA, RNA enclosed in a protein coat. Already I explained. They are much smaller than bacteria, ranging from 20 to 30 nanometer. They may ask in the exam what is the size range of an virus. 20 to 300 nanometer. Remember, viruses are considered non-living as they acquire a host cell to reproduce and cannot carry out metabolic activities independently. Yes, virus we will consider as a non-living, okay, because it don't have any cells and also it does not contain any it is not a unicellular, it is not a multicellular like a bacteria. That's why virus we will consider as a non-living. Okay, next one, let us come to the bacteria. Bacteria is a single celled organism and that are larger than virus. Then they are typically measured in micrometer. Micrometer range from zero point 0.2 to 10 micrometer. Then bacteria are diverse and can be found in various environments including soil, water, living organism. You can find bacteria even in living organisms. Our body, it contains so many different types of bacteria. Even though if you are not well, not even though if you are not having any fever or something, still small amount, small percentage of bacteria always it will be present in your body. They have a variety of shapes such as rods, that is bacilli, then spear, cocci and spirals, spirilla. These are the three different types. Remember, they may ask in the exam. Let us move to the next one, algae and fungus. Algae are larger than bacteria, can vary in size depending upon the species. They are typically measured in micrometer to millimeter. Algae can be single celled, it may be single or multicellular organisms or photosynthetic. It may, yes, it can create its own food, photosynthetic. They use sunlight and chlorophyll to produce energy, can be found in aquatic environment including oceans, lake, ponds. Yes, normally algae we will get in the ma'am, virus is unicellular or multicellular? No. Nature virus is not, it is not an, we will not consider, that is not even unicellular, it is not even multicellular. Virus, see, virus are the smallest organisms and consist of, it contains only genetic material. It neither contain unicellular nor multicellular. It does not contain any nucleus. Nucleus is not there. It is only genetic material enclosed in a protein coat. That one only I explained in detail. Virus, it is not even unicellular, it is not even multicellular. It consists of only a genetic material. That genetic material is enclosed in a protein coat. Okay. Okay, let us move to the next one, fungi. Fungi are generally larger than bacteria and algae. It consists of multicellular organism, although some fungi can be a unicellular. Other than that one, only bacteria is unicellular. Other than bacteria, fungus, then this algae, everything is either unicellular, multicellular. The size of the fungi can be vary greatly, ranging from microampere to centimeter. Okay, you can remember the range. Based on the range also they may ask in the question. Then fungi include wide range of organisms such as molds, yeast, mushrooms and meadows. They obtain nutrients through absorption and play important role in decomposing organic matter, forming symbiotic relationship with other organism. Yes, some fungus like mushroom we will eat, yeast also it will be good to our body. Up to a certain range we will use that one. If it is contained in more percentage, then it will be harmful to our life. Okay, that one only, based on that point only next question it will be there. Fungi like mucor, aspergillus, ergot are common contaminated of dash and dash. First option pork and beef, second option tapeworm and ringworm, third one is bacteria and virus, fourth one is bread and cereals. These are the fungi, they will be contaminated with, the correct answer is bread and cereals. See, let us discuss in detail how it will get contaminated. Okay, next, in bread products, spoilage problem caused by fungal molds occur after baking. See what will happen, contaminate of bread and cereals. If you keep bread, everything it contains a fungus, different type of that one. Only for certain days you can use that one. After if you store for a long time, you can see on the bread like green patches, black patches you can find out, that is nothing but fungus. The most common fungi that affect bakery product and cereals are, these are the name of the fungus, it may happen on the bread and cereals. Okay, they may ask in the exam, remember the names here, they may combine different names, they may ask. Fungi survive by taking nutrients from these food materials. They will take, whenever the fungus is growing, it will take the nutrients present in the food. The molds that create above these products are mainly colonies of fungal spores. These fungi can travel through the air, that how they affect the food product. Yes, how the fungus, how they can spread. Even the fungus, they can travel in the air also. Okay, you can observe some foods, if you are exposed to the air, they will get affected. Some foods if you are stored, like if you closed, they will get affected. Okay, ergot is caused by fungi known as, these are the name they are given, which develop into grain of cereals. Even cereals also they will get destroyed. This is the small topic, microorganism, very easy topic. Okay, small topic. I tried my best to collect information about the microorganisms. We discussed few MCQ question based on this topic. Now the time is almost 3:30. Okay, I will try to take one more class on today, like quadrilateral, or okay, I will see. If I if I mention now, if I am not able to take the class, means you will tell ma'am, every day you are telling you are not able to take the class. Okay, at least live timings I told knowledge nature last time also. I'm little busy, that's why yesterday also, even my husband health is not well, that's why yesterday I'm not able to take the class. This is like whenever I will get the time, I will take the class, because now the time is 3:30. Little pending work is there, I have to do in quadrilateral. Already I prepared question answer everything, I have to do the PPT. How much time it will need to create that one, or if possible, I will take one more, definitely today one more class I will take, maths class quadrilateral. Please see my notification. Once I start the live class, you will get the notification. Okay, please check your mobile. Sorry. Then after that one, once the class starts, I will take night classes only after 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. What will happen in my home, we have only two rooms are there, but one room is like full of what we will do the office work. When he is taking the like meetings everything, this room is not available for me, because to take a live class I need to make a setup everything. That's why both we are sharing one room. When he is doing the work, I am not able to take the classes. That's why little we have to adjust, we have to make. Okay, thank you everyone, thanks for listening my class. Okay, we will meet in the next class. I will try to take one more class today. I will try my best. Okay, please don't stop reading, continuously prepare for TET. You are make a goal, you have to score more than 120 marks. Concentrate all the remaining Kannada, English, then GK is there, psychology is there, that also start reading every day. Definitely you will get good marks in the exam. Okay, thank you everyone, thanks for listening.